Good morning all. I Mohammad Azam going to give presentation on the topic Geographic Information System. Objectives. What is GIS? Principle of GIS, functions of GIS, components, types, advantage and main goals. So, what is GIS? GIS is a computer system capable of assembling, storing, manipulating, and displaying geographically referenced information, that is, data identified according to their location. A GIS is an organized collection of computer, hardware, software, geographic data, and to efficiently capture, store, update, and display all forms of geographically referenced information. Principle. Data capture. Data sources are mainly obtained from manual digitization and scanning of aerial photograph, paper maps, and existing digital data sets. Database management and update. Data security, data integrity, and data storage, and data retrieval and data maintenance abilities. Geographic analysis. The collected information is analyzed and interpreted qualitatively and quantitatively. Functions. Data storage. Some data is stored such as map in a drawer, while others such as digital data can be as hard copy stored on CD or on your hard drive. Data manipulation. The digital geographic data can be edited. This allows for many attributes to be added, edited or deleted to the specification of the project. Visualization. This represents the ability to display your data, your maps, and information. Components, hardware, computer system, scanner, printer, plotter, flatboard. Software, GIS software in use are MapInfo, ArcInfo, AutoCAD Map, etc. Data, geographic data and related tabular data can be collected in-house or purchased from a commercial data provider. People, GIS user range from technical specialists who design and maintain. Method, the map creation can either be automated raster to vector creator, or it can be manually created using these scanned images. Data types: vector, points, lines, polygons; raster, cell, pixel, elements. Vector more closely resembles real world. Raster, area broken into pixels or cells. Each cell contains data, good at representing dense data. Now we will see advantages of GIS. GIS allow us to view, understand and visualize data in many ways that reveals relationships, patterns and trends in the form of maps, globes, reports and charts. A GIS helps you answer question and solve problem by looking at your data in a way that is quickly understood and easily shared. GIS gives the accurate data, better prediction and analysis. Main goals of GIS: maximize the efficiency of decision making and planning, provide efficient means for data distribution and handling, elimination of redundant database, minimize duplication, capacity to collect information from many sources, update data quickly and cheaply. So that's all. Thank you.